Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Boat Snoop, where we try to bring you the inside snoop on boats. Once again, I'm your host, Clint Johnson, yacht broker and boating enthusiast. Hey, today we have a Carver 36 flybridge aft cabin. This specific boat is actually a 1991, and I just wanted to give people a feel for how they look. They have wonderful woodwork on the inside. So let's sneak around here and get inside and get on the boat and snoop around some. I'll take you on a really quick tour of the deck. Won't waste a lot of time there because I know that everybody's wanting to see. You can see what the outside of boats look like, but it's really getting in there and taking a look on the inside. Got powered windlass, forward hatch. Take these off and get a lot of light inside the boat. All right, I'm gonna sneak around here and one nice thing about these aft cabins is they have this big on the back. It effectively works as your patio. Um, when you're on a boat, yeah, sometimes you might spend inside, but being out in the water, part of the whole point is you know, getting out in nature. And so the ability to sit up, couches, tables, chairs, or whatever, sit out, enjoy that. This one has hard top here on the back, but then at the same time, you got your enclosures. And you can see here, they all roll down. So if you had a squall come through or it was rainy, nasty day, you can still kind of get up and out. Enjoy this back deck. There's the entrance to the inside of the boat. On this specific model, you have access up to the cockpit area on either side. Another really neat thing about this is get a place for people to sit here. The captain, the helmet. But the current owner, she has her bike up here right now, but there's a big, long bench seat here for a whole bunch of other guests to sit, get the view, have that isinglass rolled up, and just get a good, nice breeze. All right, let's get on down inside the boat and actually just take a look and see what these boats have. Really nice interiors. There is the owner's dog is on board. I already checked in with the dog, and so hopefully Puppy won't be too angry with us or anything like that. But here's the view. Just going down in the woodwork. A lot of the modern boats, they have that really nice, modern feel. But I tell you what, there's something to be said about these boats when they have the wood in them. Get another helm here. So if you had some bad conditions or something, you could ultimately drive or maneuver the boat. Not nearly as good a visibility as up top, but as a backup, you do have that. Got your dinette down there, kitchen, forward V-berth. I'll try to give you a good view here in the main salon. Pretty roomy. These boats are 13 foot, 8 inches in beam. So they have, good wide open area. I'm going to start with that. The nice thing about the aft cabins, they got that nice Aft Master Stateroom, and which is just, it is nice. And we got Puppy there. huge closets in here. I'll just give kind of a little bit of an example of what the closets could look like, but imagine doubling that up. A lot of hanging storage. Roll those windows, those curtains open. You got yourself a view. But it is a good sized bed in here. Jump into the master head. Definitely roomy from boat standards. And then from here, if I can get a little bit better angle, you do have a full walk-in shower. And there is even a ledge that you could sit on right there. Another view of the master stateroom. Specific boat has TV installed there. Some more storage. Appears that there's also storage underneath the bed.
Hey guys, this channel is sponsored by Tupperware rep Sailor Jen. Tupperware truly is the ultimate galley-ware for your boat, and it comes with a great warranty to boot. They are the ultimate source of high-quality, lightweight, low-rattle utensils, dishes, and cups for your boat or home. Furthermore, their unbeatable food storage containers are the only food storage devices approved for use by the U.S. military when they move military households. Don't have heavy and noisy galleyware on your boat, and go high quality when trying to keep pesky bugs and moisture out of your food, especially on your boat. Go to sailorgen.com today, check out all of their offerings, and order up your new galleyware today. Email any questions to tupperware@sailorgen.com. Thank you, and remember that your order helps out this channel.
Anyhow, we'll get out of here and we'll let the pup rest. So for a 36-foot boat, this provides a lot of room. I mean, you'd expect it out of a 38, 40, 42-foot boat. Quite a bit of working area when you have that stovetop closed. Storage shelves. Nice thing specifically on this boat, it is installed, which means these boats have room for a really, really good sized refrigerator. Microwave, if you wanted to put a bigger one in, somebody who wanted to go to the bigger convection ovens, it looks like you would have room to expand that some. And quite honestly, you could easily probably fit 4 people comfortably at the dining room table. More storage drawers there. Here we have the forward V-berth, and it's pretty roomy too. There is an entrance to the forward head from the V-berth or from the galley here. And this one does have a curtain that rolls across so that you could protect all of your cabinets and sink and all that from getting wet. And current owner does have a carpet here, but it is a wet head. with a lip so that you still could drain out if taking a shower. There's that other door that goes into the V-berth. Alrighty guys, here's the V-berth on this boat. Storage cabinets. Place to sit, which is always nice. You roll out of bed, trying to get your shoes on, something like that. The Aft Master Stateroom also had a sitting area. Didn't mention at the time, but you probably saw it. Got some mirrors here, make it look a little bit bigger. Obviously, you see me snooping around in here. Got your hatch, so if you're out at anchor, get some ventilation, airflow coming down through here. These boats come with, and this boat has two Cummins 300 horsepower diesels. So you got 600 horsepower. You can get them in diesel. I do believe you can also get them in gas, but they are diesel capable. And this boat actually is, currently for sale. And as of, let's see, March of 2021. So if somebody were to be looking around on Boat Trader or Yacht World or something like that in Southwest Florida, you could find this boat Into the Mystic for sale. How long it will last, I don't know. I mostly make these boat videos for more of a documentary purpose, but they are also used in listings by their owners and their brokers. Alrighty guys, well this concludes today's tour of a Carver 36, this one specifically a 1991. I do appreciate your time and taking a look at this boat with me, and leave me some comments. Tell me what you like, you don't like, maybe things that you want to see in the future. And don't forget to smash that like button and hit that subscribe button. That really helps the channel and helps get it more exposure so more people know that it exists and they can check out the boats as well. Anyhow, thank you and have a great day.
Hey guys, do you need a loan to buy your new boat? So many lenders. Who to choose? Are you getting the best rate? What if the boat I want is older than 20 years old? Not to worry, my friends. Boat Snoop has a solution. As a yacht broker, I have a boat loan broker and sponsor of this channel that many of my clients use to great satisfaction. I jokingly call him my boat lending leprechaun, holding the Holy Grail in his right hand while riding a unicorn over a rainbow into a pot of gold. You might ask, Clint, why do you call him that? Because this guy, he has been in the business for over 30 years and has connections to almost every major boat lender possible. Additionally, he has a good handful of lenders that can finance a boat 21 to 30 years old, and lenders that do that are not that common. Finally, he has one lending source that can finance boats over 30 years old. That's right. It could be possible to get a loan on an antique or classic boat. To summarize, using a boat loan broker such as this saves you time, as you only have to fill out one application instead of many from a whole host of different lenders, which is time-consuming and utterly exhausting. As many of my clients have found, he'll bring to you the best financing deals he can find and that you can qualify for. If you're located in the United States, need a boat loan for $20,000 US or more, and you are interested in connecting with my personally recommended boat lending leprechaun, just email me your name and best phone number at lender@boatsnoop.com. Upon receiving your email, I will personally introduce my lender and you via email. At that point, I just fade away and let the two of you get to work on financing your new boat.